How to change Apple Watch ringtone. So if you want to change your Apple Watch ringtone from the default to your preferred choice of ringtone, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first one to do when you want to change your Apple Watch ringtone is go ahead and press digital crown on your Apple Watch. Now once you press it, click on the settings icon on the app menu. Now scroll down the page, keep scrolling until you get to sounds and haptics and then click on that. Now once you selected that, use the digital crown to scroll down, keep scrolling until you get to ringtone, then click on that. Now you have default and few other ringtones here. To change your Apple Watch ringtone, select your choice of ringtone here. So once you are satisfied with the ringtone you want to select, just hit the back button. And then you should see the ringtone set as your new Apple Watch ringtone. Now, when next you have an incoming call on your iPhone and it rings on your Apple Watch, this particular ringtone is going to play. So that is basically how to change Apple Watch ringtone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.